Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to create a React.js application. After that, we will install Material UI library. So let's get started. Let me open here the CMD. And here I'm going to write the command to create the new React.js application. So the command that we have npx create react app space name of the app that we have frontend. Let's hit enter. As you can see, start creating a new React.js application. So it will take a couple of minutes. As you can see, the project created successfully. Let me close the CMD and I'm going to open this folder in the VS Code. Let me open here the terminal. And here I'm going to write the command to run this project. So the command that we have npm start. So our project is locally running on this link. Let me copy this. Let me add inside the browser. As you can see, the home screen of the newly created React application. Now let me search here Material UI. As you can see, the official website of the Material UI library. Let me copy this command. Let's go back to the VS Code. Let me open here the new PowerShell. Let's hit enter. As you can see, the Material UI library installed successfully. So that's all for now from my side. If you have any confusion, you can do comment. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.